How to fix bugs and glitches with the Messenger application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can fix any bugs or glitches that you encounter with your Messenger application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply find the Messenger application logo or icon and then tap and hold on to the Messenger application icon. Then from here simply choose app info, and this will lead you to the settings of your Android device. Now from here you can try to force stop the application and then choose force stop again. Now this will stop all its background activities and you can try to reload it and hopefully it will work this time. Also you can try to clear out the cache, which you can do so by going to storage usage and then from here choose clear cache. This will clear all of the temporary memory that Messenger is holding, and you can also try to uninstall and reinstall the Messenger application, and hopefully one of them will resolve your issues. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.